This is a brand new 2013 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, power-adjustable driver pedals, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, an air suspension, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, front and rear reading lights, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Hagerty Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 330 East Roosevelt Road in West Chicago.